my name is Varsha. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Today let's make a yummy sprout salad which is very healthy. Let's start making the sprout salad. Take the amount of sprouts with which you want to prepare the salad. Let's blanch the sprouts for 5 minutes. Take hot water, put the sprouts in the hot water and then cover it with a lid and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, drain off the sprouts. Take the blanched sprouts into a large mixing bowl. Add salt, chili powder and chaat masala according to your taste. Give a nice stir. We can add whatever vegetables you like or available at home. Now we are using tomato, cucumber, capsicum, carrot, coriander, mint and lemon. Let's squeeze the lime juice first. Add finely chopped cucumber to the salad. Let's add grated carrots. Now it's capsicum's turn. If colored capsicums are available, you can use them also. Let's make it more colorful with red tomato. Now let's add some onions, coriander leaves and some mint leaves. Mix it all together well. Take it into a serving bowl. Here is our yummy sprout salad. Enjoy it! My sprout salad is ready. Let me taste it.